How to turn off safe mode on your Android device. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily turn off safe mode on your Android. As you can see here, on my home screen there are a lot of grayed out apps, which means my safe mode has been turned on. So what it basically does is safe mode will disable all of the third-party apps that you have downloaded and only lets you use the pre-installed apps on your phone. And you can also see the safe mode turned on as the indication on the bottom left of my screen. What you can also do is if you want to turn it off, the first thing you can do is long press on your power button and you can tap on this restart button. And once your phone is restarted, your safe mode will turn off. Now, depending on the device you have, you might even have an option to turn off safe mode from your notification panel. So just drop down your notification panel and it says right here that the safe mode is on. You can just tap here to turn off the safe mode. Just tap on it and then tap on turn off and your phone will be restarted and all of your apps will be available once again. So these are two of the quick methods to turn off safe mode on your Android device. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.